Having trouble installing the embroidery machine attachment? That's because your hole alignment was off. Remember these three benchmarks. The first hole is 115 mm from the base plate. The second hole is 143 mm from the first hole. The distance of the mounting holes from the panel is strictly controlled at 9 mm. Once you have verified everything, please use a 4 mm drill bit to drill the holes. Remember, slow work leads to fine work. The hole wall should be smooth and free of burrs. After the holes are drilled, we start replacing the sequin needle bar. Refer to the video and carefully remove the panel. Before replacement and installation, make sure there is no foreign matter left inside the drill hole. Deep cleaning with compressed air. We start disassembling the original needle bar. Now start using a flat blade screwdriver to loosen and remove the needle clamp. Use a hexagonal screwdriver to remove the upper thread holder. Set aside the upper thread holder. Release the top dead center and bottom dead center. Press the lower needle bar upward to pull out the presser foot. Pull the needle bar up and take out the presser foot at the same time. At the same time, don't forget to take out the upper and lower dead centers. In the video, the sequin needle bar is on the left and the flat embroidery needle bar is on the right. The hole positions of the two needle bars are different. You need to replace the sequin needle bar. That's the one I'm touching now. This is a sequin pin clip. We removed the original needle clip and replaced it with a sequin needle clip. After changing it, it's time to replace the sequin needle bar. Pay attention to insert the small end of the spring upwards. Carefully insert the needle bar into the. Now insert the previously removed top dead center into the needle bar. After setting it up, hold it firmly before inserting it into the lower dead center again. The upper and lower dead points are inserted into the sequin needle bar. We can proceed to the next step. Put the sequin presser foot on the spring with the small end facing up. After inserting the presser foot, push the needle bar down. Pass the needle bar through the round hole of the presser foot. I'm going to change it to a sequin pin clip here. Now put it on. You can turn the screw slightly, but don't lock it because you still have to insert the needle. This is a flat embroidery needle. The one below is the sequin needle to be used. The handle of a sequin needle will be shorter than a flat embroidery needle. Use a tool to align the gold needle with the hole and push it upwards. Replace the sequin needle bar and finish tightening the screws. Now put the upper thread holder back. Now put the upper thread holder back. Turn the hand wheel to accurately align the spindle angle to 201 degrees. The needle bar drops down. Visually look down at 45 degrees and adjust until the needle tip cannot be seen. Align the needle position and lock the bottom dead center. Turn the spindle angle to 0 degrees. Just touch the buffer pad at the top dead center, then tighten it. Reinstall the panel screws and tighten. Turn back to 201 degrees again. The main event has arrived. The installation's main body is now secured. Note, the screws must be tightened diagonally in a cross pattern, into stages. There is no specific prescribed height for the installation. As long as the embroidery machine assembly can move up and down, that is sufficient. Then, slowly adjust the angle accordingly. Finally, add the metallic ribbon. OLH-107E 5-bead, 3-piece mixed embroidery device. The main mechanical assembly is complete.